There is a problem in the auto electric industry, and that is that we're usually all very good at our job installing electrics, but the one thing no auto electrician is really good at is making brackets. And when you have to make brackets, they never look as good as you want to, and they always take a lot longer than you want them to take. So what we've realized in our business is that to become better at our jobs and deliver better products and at the same time save money throughout the installation, we have to get our brackets pre-manufactured. And that is what we started doing. So all the brackets that we've been making over and over again, we've now drawn them up in CAD, and we get them laser cut and folded. Let me introduce you to what we have been up to. This bracket here is for Land Cruiser 300 series, and it allows you to mount a red arc BCDC, the red arc version of a DC-DC charger, behind the grille and in front of the radiator. Usually Red Arc has made all of these for all the different vehicles, but they haven't made one for the 300 series yet. And since we needed them, we've made it ourselves. So this bracket uses factory bolts to mount onto the vehicle. Right behind the grille, you can mount your DC-DC charger from Red Arc on it, do a little cutout on the top, and your DC-DC charger is installed in your vehicle. No drilling needed, no real experience needed to fit these, and enables you to mount the unit in a very neat way very quickly. This bracket here is for Toyota Prado 150 series, and it enables you to mount the Red Arc Tow Pro Elite in a very neat and easy way in the footwell on the driver's side. For more details on where and how to mount it, please have a look on our website perthpro.com.au. There's a link to the product down below. It's a stainless steel bracket, and it will enable you to do a Tow Pro install in the Prado 150 series. Very neat, very fast and easy with this pre-manufactured bracket. This bracket here is to mount aerial on an Alu Innovations roof conversion on a troop carrier. The way to do this is to mount it onto the side of the roof conversion, and as you can see, you've got a slotted aerial mount in here. So you mount that onto your roof conversion. The angle fits the Alu Innovations roof conversion perfectly, so you got a straight up aerial. You can also mount a swivel mount from GME or any other manufacturer in here, so you can actually fold your aerial down when you're driving. To find out more about this product, please have a look at the link below. You will find it on our website perthpro.com.au. This aerial here is to mount an aerial to your Alu cap roof conversion on a Troopy. The way to do this is use these 4 mounting holes, mount it to the side of the roof conversion, and then you can put an aerial or a swivel bracket for an aerial onto this bracket. You can see this is also slotted, so while it's on here, you can actually slide the cable through to make it easier to install everything. To find out more about this product, please have a look at our website perthpro.com.au, or you can find the link just down below. This bracket here is so that you can mount a heavy-duty winch isolator and a mega fuse holder to your 70 series fan shroud. The way to do this is that these 2 holes here mount very close to the battery to the fan shroud, and then the isolator mounts into this bracket with its locating pin, and you can put the lever on it, and then your mega fuse holder can either mount this way around or this way around, and that might be needed if you install an upgraded alternator, or if you want to fuse something else, for example a crane on the back of your vehicle. It's got quite a heavy current draw, then you can use this mega fuse holder for it. This bracket here is so that you can mount a mega fuse holder right in front of your intercooler under the bonnet of a 70 series Land Cruiser. These fuses are needed, for example, when you upgrade your alternator or if you got any other equipment in the vehicle that's got quite a heavy current draw and needs a substantial fuse on your start battery. This bracket is for mounting a National Lunar Light on the right-hand side rear door of a 70 series Land Cruiser, or 76 series and 78 series, because in the Utes that's not possible. The way to mount this is to drill holes for these two holes in the door, and then the National Lunar Light mounts on the bottom of this, and you can run the cable behind the rubber through the rubber seal going to the vehicle, and you've got a really nice light on your back door, which is perfect for when you have your fridge there, you're cooking and you're camping. These brackets here are so that you can mount twin Midi fuse holders, which we quite often do on batteries and in particular on the hold down for the batteries. The way to do this is you drill two holes, then you can pop, rivet or screw this to the battery hold down, and you can then mount your Midi fuse holder on this bracket here. The bracket goes down and then across, so the twin Midi fuse holder sits on it this way. And then the other one is if the bracket needs to go up and then come across, in case you've got a battery where you've got the service ports sticking out, your little openings where you can service the battery itself. They work with the twin Midi fuse holders and they're universal for all vehicles. As long as you can fit them on your battery hold down, you can use this to have your primary power distribution for your circuits like DC-DC chargers mounted directly on the battery clamp itself. To find out more about these products, you can find the link to both of these brackets in the description below or visit our website perthpro.com.au.